right. Excuse me, sir, in the van. Thank you. All right. It's bright as hell. I'm going to Vegas. My dad is there right now, and I'm flying out today to meet him. That's why I have literally so much crap in the back of my car. I have been sick for so long. Should be home in like an hour, and then packing up and going to the airport. I have resulted in putting my sunglasses on over my glasses, so it's a good look. It's not with you. You're dripping like. Hi, puppies. Oh God, the alarm. Hi, puppies. I missed you. I've been home for like 2 hours now and I haven't done anything, but I'm gonna start getting my stuff out of my car, putting it in my suitcase, and I'm gonna make some food. I think that's the plan. This is the mess that I am dealing with. Okay, let's pack. Yeah, let's pack. Drag this through the nice dirt. La la la.
Don't worry, I put it all in the trunk by myself.
I didn't think you needed help.
I can't get in the car. Made it. I am on my way to the airport now. Just waiting for my mom. She had to stop somewhere really quickly, but if I have the flu, I'm going to be so pissed because I feel like total shit right now, and I can't tell if it's just like nerves because of flying, because I'm not a huge fan of flying, or if I like actually have the flu. But we're gonna hope that I don't, because that would put a downer on the trip. So crossing our fingers. Thank you. I made it. Now I'm waiting for my dad to pick me up. This is the room. It has a really pretty view. And then I have my pull-out couch, nice bed, and then my dad has his bed. So now we're gonna get some food and then just walk around. But that was my travel day. I feel like crap still. I think I definitely have the flu, but I'm happy to be here, and I'm definitely gonna film some more. So stay tuned for those videos, and I will be back later sometime for another video. Bye.